Calleigh, what's wrong? Calleigh, what happened?
Tell Auntie Darcy what's wrong.
Did your daddy buy a new car? Oh, you liked that car, didn't you?
He didn't get rid of a car though. But you couldn't even ride the motorcycle. Huh? Well, he's gonna get a new motorcycle. He couldn't, that one you couldn't ride on. He's gonna get a different motorcycle. Here, you want a lollipop? It's the Tootsie, it's a mini Tootsie one. These are good.
Oh, you're sad.
Tired. A long day, and you're funny. I shouldn't have said anything, but you're hilarious, kid. You do not like change, do you?
Nobody needs to say that.
You liked it when I dyed my hair. Are you gonna be okay? I know. When we were leaving, I almost cried. But you know what? Then I figured out. I don't really care. Wanna know why? Because Daddy just left by himself to ride the motorcycle. We never got to go with him.
Yeah.
We get to ride in this new car, and it's red. It's red. Maybe we can pick it up and ride out to the berry farm tomorrow in it. Got some pumpkins. Do you think Dad will put pumpkins in his car? Should we go home soon? Okay, why don't you go play for a minute longer? Yeah, you gotta. Because you haven't had enough sugar today.
Now you're happy.
Hey, look at me. It's a long day, isn't it?
Calleigh, do you like your